Hello. In this video, I will be examining the commodity channel index indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator is an improved version of the CCI indicator, which firstly displays two CCIs with two different periods, and secondly, it shows histograms on the CCI indicator with a longer period, and it displays two trigger lines at the numbers we input.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
We can also input the overbought and oversold zones to include specific numbers, allowing us to identify these zones. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the turbo CCI period, YMI, or CCI with a smaller period Y, which we specify here. The next option, Y, is the period of the CCI indicator. The following option, Y, is where we specify the number considered as the overbought and oversold zones. For overbought, the positive of this number is considered as entry into that zone, and for oversold, the negative of this number is considered. The next option is where we specify the trigger level, where the positive is considered as the trigger level towards buy, and the negative of that number is considered as the trigger level towards sell. The last option is the weight given to this indicator. The higher we set this value, the faster it enters the overbought and oversold zones, and the lower we set this value, the slower this happens, effectively filtering out noise. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. As you can see, the settings and inputs of this indicator in the MT4 version are exactly the same as in the MT5 version. In conclusion, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.